It's Thredup Thursday. Today we are going to be opening a Thredup rescue box, and today's box is going to be the fun box. Hey y'all, my name is Christina. I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube, Poshmark, eBay, The Real, Depop, and Mercari. And I bring content to this channel that's from a part-time perspective, and I love opening mystery boxes. Thursday is like my favorite day of the week because that means we're opening a Thredup box. And the fun boxes are typically always fun. I've had several in a row that were really good. So fingers crossed that this one is also really good. Today's box is coming to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Shocker. All of my boxes have been coming from Mechanicsburg lately, y'all. I don't know what is up. I don't know if the other warehouses are not sending out boxes right now or what's happening. But here's the box. It's like the normal sized fun box. And I'm not sure when I ordered this one. Once I cut the tape, hopefully there'll be a receipt inside and we can see when I ordered it. All right, before we get into the box, just wanted to point out really quick my jewelry. This is actually kind of some of this I put on today by accident. I went and swam laps. I'm a swimmer. I love lap swimming. And I had a bag of jewelry in my swim bag, I guess from the last time that I took it off before I swam. So some of this was in my swim bag and I put it on, and then the rest of it I added when I got home. So I have some black beads, which I have like layered twice. And I have this gorgeous stone circle necklace. And this is the highlight, this little flowered vial necklace. I got this from Brighton over at Brighten Your Day. And then I have in these gorgeous square and like CZ studs, and then just a little silver stud and some black bracelets, sterling, some beautiful onyx. So kind of a black and silver theme going on today. Luckily I had a black shirt on and the jewelry in my bag matched. So this is what I had on today. When I was out running around, I did do some thrifting today, and it might be time for another thrift haul pretty soon, y'all. I know you guys love the thrift hauls, but for today, let's get into this box. I do sell from my videos, so if there is something in this fun box that you want to purchase, you just need to send an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I invoice through PayPal. And depending on the weight of the item, typically it's a $5 ship. If it's a heavier item, it would be $9. Fingers crossed, y'all, that it's a good box. Love doing unboxings for you guys. I find them so much fun. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can see the unboxings I have coming up next. All right, I see some pink items in here, so let's pull this off. I don't see a receipt, so not sure when I ordered this one. Oh, it does look like it's a pink box, you guys. I love a themed box. So I've given you the first peek. I'm going to pause really quickly and take a thumbnail, and I will be right back. So let's pull the first item off the top and see what we got. I see some slippers right off the bat. Gorgeous hot pink. This is going to be perfect for listing in the upcoming season. I mean, if none of you guys grab them first, of course. Oh, and these are J.Crew. Awesome. Okay, so we have a new with tags J.Crew. This is the full J.Crew, not the factory. Hot pink, fuzzy slippers. These are in a size 8. See right here. Still have the stickers on the bottom. This is great. I'm not really sure what I would list these for, so I will probably run comps on this, and then I'll put a price on the screen for you guys. Typically, I offer about half of what I would actually list the item for, so you guys buying direct saves you money, and it saves me time listing. So please purchase if you see something that you want. The next item looks to be maybe a purse. I thought it was just a purse strap, but it's attached to a purse. Look, oh my gosh, you are adorable. Look at the Hello Kitty purse. And this is kind of like a PVC. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This is by the brand Quankle. I don't know. I'm not familiar with this. It's got like a pink satin lining on the inside. It keeps not wanting to focus. This is so nice. It looks like maybe there's a little mark like right here, but otherwise in great condition. Oh, and the strap is gorgeous. Pink, gold, white stripe. You guys, this is so cool. I love this. Let's make sure the zipper works. It does. You guys, it feels really nice. Like it's squishy. I will look this up and see what comps are. Hello Kitty sells really well. And how sweet is this bag? I love this. That was awesome, y'all. I see something else awesome in the box as well. I'll show you guys these and then I'll give you another peek inside the box. I'm the only one that gets nerdy about the headbands. These are both velvet and of course in our pink theme. You guys, I got a pink box. That's so fun. This one is kind of in more of a wine or a berry color, maybe a light berry. Actually, the color of my nail polish is muted berry, you guys. I thought it was going to be a darker purple and it's like black. So it's supposed to be muted berry, but anyway, this one's really nice. It's got a knot up the top. And let's see, there is a sticker. It just says made in China and it has the materials tag. So that's awesome. Add that to my collection. And then we've got this one. No tags on this one. I'm actually going to offer this one up. Shocking, I know, but I have one just like this in the same color. But it's a velvet with the knot at the top and little faux pearls throughout. So if anyone's interested in the headband, we'll just say $3. You guys, when I was at the thrift store in Dallas, I actually bought a mystery bag, maybe 2 of them, full of hair accessories. I went through it. It was so much fun. I kept some pieces, washed them, of course, but I have a ton left over. If you guys would be interested in seeing some of the leftovers from the hair accessories thing, let me know. There's a lot of like scrunchies and hair ties and bows and things like that. Okay, let me give you guys another pink. That's what we have left. So I see a lot of pink and then like animal print. So these look fun. Hello. We have some knee highs. This says Leg Avenue, opaque thigh high with satin bow accent. Okay, there's the model there. She's got the little bows at the top. And it just says one size fits all. If anyone's interested in these, we'll just say $4. All right, next we have some lingerie, y'all. Oh, awesome. You guys, this is Savage by Fenty. Let's see if I can get it to focus there. Let's see if it says a size. Let me get it untangled so I can show you all exactly what it looks like. And this is, oh, this is really pretty, you guys. This is in a purple. So our first item that wasn't really totally pink, but it does have some pink in it. You've got the underwire, the lace at the top, some paisley. Okay, so here's your straps. And it is, oh, one piece here. Okay, and look, the back is a thong. How awesome is that? And they match the lace at the back to the lace at the top. I love that detail. You also have an open back. This is, well, this is a 1X. Imagine that. Wow, I'm not used to getting stuff in my size. Okay. So we have a 1X. It does not say, I don't see where it says what the, you know, I would think it would have like a bra size. Like what cup size is this, right? But it doesn't say that on here. So I'm not sure. I'll look it over a little closer and I will put some information on the screen. This is fun. Okay. Give you all another pink. A few more items in there. Looks like we have some socks. These are adorable. These are like little school socks. You have the globe, some books, table. There's an apple. Oh, these would be perfect for like a teacher, new in the pack. We'll just say $3 on these. That's sweet. Let's get to the umbrella, you guys. Not pink. Let's see if there's any branding on this. I don't see any branding, but it looks to be brand new. That's awesome. If anyone's interested in the umbrella, let's say $8. Wait a minute. There might be a tag on the inside. Nope. Okay, $8. Okay, just a few items left, y'all. All right, we have, oh, what's in here? Something from Shein, or at least that's what the bag says. This feels like beaded. Let's see what the outside of the bag says. Whatever it says it's a size small, so let's find out. Ooh. Okay, so this one's still keeping with the pink. What is this? I'm worried like rhinestones are gonna start falling everywhere. What? Oh, this is fun. How cool is this? I mean, I guess you could wear this multiple ways. I guess you could wear it across the top if you wanted. You could wear it across your waist. It doesn't look like it would be a complete, like full wraparound, okay? I can measure the length of this. There is an extender on the back and then give a price on the screen. It's pink with rhinestones. It looks like it's in really good condition. So this is fun. Oh, we have some little croc gibbets. Well, I don't know if they're Croc branded, but you know, they go in the little holes in the Crocs. My kids love these, or they used to. Maybe they're too like grown for it now, I'm not sure. This one still has a tag on it. Let's see what this says. So this one actually is a Crocs Gibbets, the actual brand. And this is a little llama. So sweet. Okay, let's see this, what else we have. This one's also the Gibbets brand. And we have a narwhal. So cute. This one is not a Crocs brand. I don't know if this is a character from something or what that is, but a little character. This one also isn't a Crocs brand, but you have the Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, that's sweet. So if anyone is interested in these, let's just say $2 a piece. You can let me know like which one you want, or if you want all of them, we'll just do $4 for the whole set, $1 a piece. Get a discount if you want all of them. If it was one my kids wanted, I would ask them first, but I don't think that they want any of those. All right, we're already down to our last item, y'all. Do we have like a little like swimsuit sarong? That's what I'm guessing. It's really adorable. It's got kind of some Greek keys, the gold chain print, some palm prints, and of course it's pink. Let's see. There is a tag. This is an extra large. I don't see a branding tag on this. And it does have some stretch to it, which is nice. So I'll just quickly run my hands over it to see if another tag pops up. If not, I will Google Lens this and see if I can find out who made it. Otherwise, I'll just be popping a price up on the screen for this. But this is really nice. It is sheer. sure you guys can see through that. And it's got this really cool print throughout. So awesome. Okay, let's count up our items and see how many we got. You guys, this was a really fun one. And also we got some good items. So we got the swimsuit cover-up for 1, or sarong. The Shein rhinestone, I'm not sure what, for 2. The umbrella for 3. The socks for 4. The thigh highs for 5. The lingerie for 6. The headbands for 7. Oh, this purse is so cute. The Hello Kitty purse for 8. The J.Crew slippers for 9. And then the Croc gibbets for 10. Oh my goodness. I am thrilled with this box. I love when they're themed. And this one was themed minus the umbrella. Although I'll never get mad about an animal print, you guys. And so I thought this was awesome. There's some great items in here for me to resell. Let me know what y'all think. And thanks so much for joining me. I will be back next week for some more unboxings. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And I will see y'all then. Bye.